Hi, everyone! Today we're bringing you an installation video for a long wall light. The package contains one main product and one accessory, packing for product fixing screws and for fixing screw sleeves. First, please remove the 6 screws securing the outer casing of the strip light. Please keep the removed screws safe. As you will, you need to put them back later. This separates the base from the product cover. Please place the product base in the desired installation location. We will mark the location first, and then begin drilling holes. Next, hammer in the 4 yellow screws from the accessory kit. Please connect the power cord of the product base to your power supply. Please place the product base onto the 4 yellow nail holders and simultaneously screw in the 4 silver fixing screws from the accessory kit. Please put the product cover on. Reinstall the 6 screws that previously secured the product casings and bases. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.